I'ma slide in them DMs, girl, don't be doubting my style. Of the creep tip, I've been peeped. You watching me for a while. Know my gait a little awkward. Ain't no drip in my walk, but fuck these bubbles. Let me show you that I ain't just talking. I know what you want. Don't mean to sound conceited, but I ain't gonna front. You know I had to do my research, but I just wanna
yo,
know you better.
what's good, everybody? Hey here, well, Edwin. This is just a little update video. Plus, I got this here, this giveaway right here, just this banner. It might come with like a Twitter header too, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I just got this right here. Here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the design part here. It's gonna be locked or whatever. No need to really touch that. All you gotta do is come in, change your name and the text here part. I'm not sure which font that is. It's Gobo Cuts and whatever. My computer stopped getting some nonsense. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this one is Go Bold as well. I don't know which version it is. See, we got the giveaway here. This is free, giving this out to everybody. Then it's like just an update video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a little lifted right now. I'm feeling good. So this is just a little update video. I'm gonna be posting more on the channel. Dropping more speed arts, of course. I might do some vlogs every now and then because I do photography. I might, do some photography vlogs. Maybe even some designing vlogs. Who knows? Maybe drop some tutorials. I don't know. Possibly if people want to know some stuff. Even though I feel like you can just go and watch other videos on YouTube, but I could definitely make tutorials. There's gonna be more giveaways and stuff. Not just like banners and whatnot. Oh yeah, that's about it. And I'm gonna try to post. I could probably do once or twice a week. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned.